New video series on GitHub. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to download the Git. Then I will go to the google.com and I just simply write the Git, and then I am clicking on the download section, and then you can see I am using the MacBook. That's why I need to download the software for the MacBook. So I'm going to click on the download for Mac. So it's going to start the download the Mac, and there is the another option to install the Mac. So what I have to do, I need to copy this URL, and I need to go back to the, so I'm going to open a new terminal. So I'm going to simply paste this, and it start to install the brew git. So it's starting to download the software. So now I will just simply test git. So version, you can see git is already installed in my system. That was the